me and Margaret are the queen.
Say happy Halloween.
Sit straight, Mickey, so that you can.
Happy Halloween.
Ay.
Me
Say,
and Margaret are
say happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
I want to sing happy birthday, Lola. Come on.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, Lolo, happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Come on. Oh, happy birthday, Margo.
Are you doing video?
Happy birthday, Lolo. Ay.
Happy birthday, Lola.
How about Margo? It's Margo's birthday. Come on. Oh, what is your message to your sister on her birthday?
I love you.
Do you love your sister?
Yeah. I love Margot, you and Mommy.
Oh, Margo, can you hug Ate Mickey?
Yeah.
Oh.
Me and Margot are gonna be Cinderella on Halloween. What will you be for Halloween?
I'm Superman.
What will Mommy be for Halloween?
I'm a garbage truck.
I'm...
What?
Okay. Mickey, say it's your YouTube channel, okay?
It's MYKAELLA's YouTube channel. It's me and Marga's YouTube channel. It's
Okay.
gonna be Halloween in October 31.
Okay. Tell your friends.
Hi guys, we're at home because we're on the virus. So it's Halloween on October 31.
Tell them what are you wearing right now?
We're wearing a Cinderella costume. Mine has butterflies. Margot has 3 butterflies.
Who gave you that costume?
Mommy.
Did you say thank you to Mommy?
Yeah. Margot's one is a little bit broken. So Mommy will buy Margot a new one.
Can you tell your friends about your costume right now?
I already watched the Cinderella movie, but now I'm Cinderella.
What is that one in your head?
It's a wand.
In your head?
Yeah. You mean on my head?
Yes. What's
It's a
that?
crown.
Okay.
It's a crown.
You have a crown because you're what? Are you a princess?
I'm a princess. I'm Cinderella with the crown. Also Margot. Right, Margot?
What is that in your hand?
You mean in my hand?
Yeah.
A wand.
Is there a magic wand?
It's just only pretend.
Okay.
Abracadabra turned Daddy into a flying magic bird. I have magic spells.
So this is Margo and MYKAELLA.
This is part 2. We're gonna do a drawing contest of who will draw a best coloring thing, and we will show it to you. This is how we're doing right now. We do 2 and do it. This looks like a happy face, right?
Yes.
But we're gonna do like the drawing ever. I'm trying to do my best.
You're happy with your...
Yeah. What to do?
open.
The topic traffic light.
Like this. Got another. Here's pencil number 3. I did not show them what we draw, though, guys. Alright, guys. Pencil number 4. Ready? Okay. Hey, guys. This is what I draw. This is Margot. This is Margot here. She's vlogging with me. So this is what I draw, the unicorn. So let's color. So if you want to put this black mark pencil back, it's like this. So now we're going to use the marker to color. So I'm going to use the peach color to draw. There's a